Hello everyone. Hello. Oh, we dropped something. Here we go. Okay. So, I just wanted to make this video. Sorry, this is hard to making it on. I'm just putting it, I put the flash on my iPhone. So, that's why my eyes are scary red. Anyway, so I wanted to show you my makeup and my costume for Halloween. Okay, so the makeup I use, I'm wearing it right now, but it's faded because I've been wearing it for a little while. Sorry. So, first of all, okay, what I put on my face was just this Dream Matte Mousse foundation. I don't really wear a lot of face makeup just because I don't know, I never have. I don't know. And over that, I put this, let's see if you can, this Sugar Tropic Tan Bronzer. And this is from Ulta, but it is discontinued, I'm pretty sure. So, I don't know if you can still get that online or what, but I know they don't sell it at Ulta anymore. Okay, for my eyes, I used this L'Oreal Hip High Intensity Pigment. It's number 854 and it's called Progressive. I'm going blind from this light. But, and it's this color. And it's really, really sparkly, really pretty brown. Like, so pretty. Hold on. Okay, it's dark, darker than, okay, I'm getting all jumbled. This one is also L'Oreal Hip High Intensity Pigment, and this is number 848, Tenacious. You cannot see it, oh well. This one is my favorite eyeshadow. These are like 12 bucks at Walmart, I think, something like that. And I don't know if you can tell the difference between these two. You kind of can. This one's darker, and that's the Progressive. The Progressive is darker than the Tenacious, but the Tenacious is the one I'm wearing on my inner corner, and it's like, it's so pretty. I love it, and I always get compliments on it, but, yeah. So, for my eyeliner, I just used this Almay Black Pearl. I love this eyeliner. I feel like it works really well. And then for mascara, I used Double Extend Beauty Tubes mascara. It's just this this one right here. And I really, really like this stuff. I feel like it really works well. And then over that, I just used this mascara, L'Oreal's. I have no idea what this is. I borrowed it from my mother because I can't find my mascara anywhere. So, okay, and then last for my lips, I just used this Meryl Norman Definitive Lip Liner in Peaches. And the color looks like this, if you can see that. So it's a little dark because my costume, it went with my costume. Okay, so for my costume, this is what I wore. I was an Indian, yay. This is a little headband, and it has like 2 feathers, and these are just the boots I wore with it. They didn't come with it or anything. I already had them. I got these from Cherish for like $5, seriously, and this I ordered online at, I don't know what website, but it's called Pocahontas. That's the costume name. So, yeah, that was my costume and my makeup, and you probably just saw me in the mirror, but I will add a picture if I can onto this video and show you what I looked like all together. Okay, well, I hope you all had a good Halloween. Bye!